Hi, it's Addie here at Prime Publishing in our brand new kitchen, and today I'm making a traditional French chicken dish called chicken fricassee. And we're going to put everything in this one pot and let it stew for about 45 minutes, and out will come the most delicious moist chicken you'll ever have. So let's get started. Today we're going to cook everything in this one pot by La Cuisine. What I love about it is that it's light, it's easy to pick up with this handle, and it's the perfect dish for braising everything inside because of its tiered lid. So the first thing we're going to do is sear the chicken. Well, it's not really searing it, but we need to brown the skin. So what I've done is got this pot very hot inside with butter and olive oil. I'm going to add a little more butter because why not? And when it melts, you can kind of start to hear it sizzle. We'll start putting the chicken in and we're going to brown it. Once we cook the chicken, we'll remove it to add in our mirepoix and vegetables. We'll put the chicken back in, some flour, broth, a little more butter, and then we're going to let it sit for about 45 minutes. So let's get started. While the chicken was browning, I sliced all of my vegetables, and it's about time I pull them off. And then what I'm going to do is deglaze with wine, add the vegetables, saute a little bit, and make sure everything is coated with our herbes de Provence. Let's take a look. We love that on the bottom of this pan there's a little bit of browning because that way it just adds more flavor to the vegetables. So that's okay if some of this chicken looks like it's sticking. But what you're going to do is remove each piece of chicken and just set them aside. They're not going to be completely cooked. Don't worry about that. It's all going back into the pan. You can use any cut of meat you'd like. I like using breasts, thighs, and drumsticks so that everyone gets to pick their favorite kind. Once our chicken is out, you'll hear it continue to sizzle, and don't turn the heat down. What you're going to do is take your wine and pour it directly in. All that flavor is going to come right up. Maybe have a glass or two yourself. We're going to throw all of our vegetables in. And a few more herbs. I love this casserole dish because as you can see, all of those flavors are coming right up and you don't even have to scrape very hard. It's beautiful to see. Once your onions are translucent and the vegetables seem soft, add in a little bit of flour to thicken your sauce. You don't need a lot, about a tablespoon will be just fine. Stir it around and let that flour cook in and off. You don't want it to linger because you'll get that taste. Right about now is when you add your chicken back in, a little broth and cream. You can just dump it right in. You're going to cover your chicken completely with broth. This acts as your braising liquid, but all that flavor will come from the wine and what was sticking to the bottom and all the herbs and vegetables, and just a little bit of cream. Once the dish is done, we can taste it for flavor and cook the sauce down even more and add more cream and even cheese, so then it acts as a sauce on top of the chicken when you eat it. But for now, looks pretty good. I'm going to cover our casserole dish and just let it simmer for 45 minutes. Be sure to check out our other videos that go perfectly with this chicken dish. We did roasted potatoes with herbes de Provence, and I just sauteed peaches that go right on top of vanilla ice cream for dessert. Thanks so much. Bye.